Hi everyone, today we've got a slightly different video. I'm going to be unboxing this gold-tec vacuum cleaner. Now, as you can just about see down the front, this is a 1600 watt vacuum cleaner. Now, I'm well aware you can't actually get vacuum cleaners of this wattage nowadays. The limit, I believe, is 900 watts. We found this listing on eBay or Amazon, one of the two, I can't remember which, pretty sure it was eBay, and it's basically old stock of vacuum cleaners, and he's got a few of them, quite a few of them. He's sold quite a few. There's loads of feedbacks for them and they're all positive, so we went ahead and we took the risk and we're going to see how good it is. So it's fully sealed. Box doesn't look the best, but obviously the two cats have been laying on it as well. We got this a couple of days ago. I think it was actually yesterday it got delivered, and well, on Friday it got delivered. You're seeing this on Sunday, and obviously it's old stock, so it's not going to look the best anyway. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox it, shall we? So I'll start by chopping through the tape without getting the instruction manual, which I nearly did. There's one part. And the other side is up. I'm hoping the lighting's good, by the way, because I'm only using the top light in the kitchen. So we've got a gold-tec 1600 watt vacuum cleaner user guide here, which I don't think there's anything of major importance here. No, not really. Okay, nothing of major importance in there. I will show you at the end of the video maybe, in case you want to pause it and see what's in it. So, a bit of cardboard, which is just for packaging purposes. We've got a spare filter. I assume that's a spare filter. Hopefully there's one inside the actual vacuum already. We've got a hose pipe, reasonably long. That's good. Leave that there. We've got the head of the pole. I think that's what it's called. I don't know the technical term for it. I'm not as knowledgeable in vacuum cleaners as I am in laundry appliances. We've got the metal pole itself with some attachment holders on it. That's good. And it's got an adjustable switch here by the looks of it. Yeah, that's quite good. And then we've got one attachment here. I'm not quite sure what that's actually for, but we'll find out. Oh, and there's another attachment here. And then we've got the cleaner itself. Now I'll take the box away, put the cleaner down. Right, camera angle's good. Right, so here's the cleaner. It looks nice. It's very similar to our Von Horst one. I think I'm pronouncing that correctly. Which is 2400 watts. And this is 1600 watts. They're very similar looking. It's just the design of the handle is a bit different, and the filters at the back down there on this one. So what have we got? We got a dust canister, which I think the capacity of that is 3 litres, according to the box, which is very good. We've got on the top here, we have the cord pullback button and the power button here as well. We've got filter area there, got plug here, we've got some wheels here. There's a gap underneath the dust canister, that's quite interesting. Dust canister itself, we've got the part where the hose goes, and on the bottom we've got that little wheel, the multi-directional wheel at the top. So I guess our next job is to attach the hose. Put this on the front and it just twists to lock in. That's good. I haven't done that right. There we go. So that's in. Now, I'm not going to do any actual vacuuming in this video. However, I am going to plug it in just to make sure it works and just so you can hear what it sounds like. So, we'll take the plug, not too far out, and we're going to remove this plastic shield on the plug prongs. Plug it in. I'm putting it directly into my energy monitor and we're going to see how much it draws. Perfect. So, minimum is about 400 watts ish, maximum is 1500 and, oh here we go, I've got it on here. So, the minimum draw, that was on minimum power, was 336 watts, and then the maximum draw, which was on maximum power, is 1509 watts, which is brilliant. So, not very quiet as the box states, but I like that. Makes a nice sound and I think we're going to be very happy with this. Hopefully this is going to last us a good long time because, as you know, I don't really like modern vacuum cleaners because they're not powerful really. The 900 watt limit is really not that good. So yeah, I'm very pleased with this. Let me know your thoughts. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. It is a bit of a different video. If you'd like to see more videos of various appliances, then I can definitely get round to making some of those. So yeah, let me know your thoughts. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Bye bye. Just a quick update. I've done the first vacuuming, and as you may or may not be able to see through here, it does the job. Of course, I've sucked up a bit of plastic bag there, but easily fixable. So yeah, it does the it works pretty well, even on lower power mode. The filter, by the way, is in there. There is already one that came with it. Got spare ones just here, so we've got the one in there already plus the spare, which is great. I wish more vacuum cleaners came with spares. Anyway, so first impressions, very good. Would I recommend it at this precise moment? Yes, I would. I think it definitely does the job by the looks of it, even on low power mode. High power mode is ridiculous, it sticks to the carpet, so I'm very pleased that we've got a high power mode. And the other thing is, the 2400 watt vacuum cleaner we have only draws 1200 watts, so because this 1600 watt vacuum cleaner draws the full, well, close enough to 1600 watts. It's actually stronger than our 2400 watt one. So, which is proven by our 2400 watt one doesn't stick physically to the carpet. This one does on full power. So I actually put it on about half power, which I think is about, I haven't measured it, but I'm guessing it's about 900 watts or so. So yeah, maybe 900 watts isn't so bad after all. We just have poor impressions from the two vacuum cleaners we've got at the moment. So overall, very good. Expect a review coming in a couple of months' time, if you would like. Once again, let me know if you want more videos like this. There won't be many vacuum cleaner videos coming, but there will be a couple definitely in the future. And I might start doing other appliance videos as well, since I'm into a multitude of different appliances. So once again, thank you very much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then please leave a like, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.